Pinoy Fact Check! Ready ka na ba? Introducing yourself. Ako, I or me. Ikaw, you. Pangalan, in English, name. Ako si, in English, I am. Ano, in English, what. Ang, the marker used before the subject, in English, the. Let's try to practice it into sentence. Ako si Maria. In English, I am Maria. Ano ang pangalan mo? In English, what is your name? Ang pangalan ko ay John. My name is John. Ikaw ba ay Pilipino? Are you a Filipino? Hindi. Ako ay Amerikano. In English, no, I am American. The words ako, I, ikaw, you, and siya, he or she are some of the most commonly used in Filipino. Learning these words help you build many simple sentences. Hey guys! Make sure to follow Pinoypedia so you can get a fresh Pinoy fun fact every single day. Kita kits!